Right now, a football page with just 73,000 followers is quietly pulling millions of views doing one stupidly simple thing: taking real World Cup clips, Ronaldo, Messi slicing past 3 defenders and turning them into anime. That's the entire channel. And nearly every single video hits millions. Then there's another page, 4,000 followers, barely started. Same exact idea, real football turned into anime, and its videos are hitting millions too. When 4,000 followers pull numbers like that, it's not luck, it's an open lane almost nobody is in yet. And the anime clip on your screen right now, I made it in about 5 minutes, one AI tool, 100% free. No drawing, no animation skills, no editing software, nothing. So here's what you're walking away with today. By the end, you'll be able to take any football moment and turn it into a clean anime clip just like these and post it on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts while this niche is still empty. But you have to watch till the end, and I mean that, because there's one step almost everybody skips, and it's the exact reason their clips die at 400 views while these pages explode into the millions. Skip it, and your video instantly looks AI generated and gets buried. I'm holding it near the end on purpose, so don't click off thinking you already have it, because you don't. And there's a second mistake people make before they even start. Get it wrong and it won't matter how good your anime looks. The video just won't travel. Why now? The World Cup comes once every 4 years. This window is open today, not in 4 years. Miss it and you wait, so don't skip a step. Let's get into it. First, before you touch any video, you need a prompt. And not just any prompt. I spent a long time building these, testing them over and over until they actually worked. There are 4 of them, and together they take you from 0 all the way to a finished video. Topic research, the story, the characters, everything. I'll show you exactly where to grab all 4 at the very end of this video, in a free Google Doc, so stay with me till then. So let's start with prompt number 1. This is the one that finds your viral story for you. Copy prompt number 1, then open Claude AI, and paste it in. That's it. Now just hit generate and watch what Claude does here. It doesn't just guess. It goes out, pulls references from different websites, and hunts down one of the most viral moments from the FIFA World Cup to build your whole video around. Give it a few seconds to search, and there it is. Claude hands you back a complete story structure, the full outline for your video, ready to go. But it doesn't stop there. It also gives you the exact list of players to feature. In my case, 4 characters, all 4 named for me, are right there on the screen. So now that Claude gave you the story and the 4 player names, the next step is to grab their images. Simple, take each character name, search it on Google one by one, and save a clear photo of each player to your device. 4 characters in my case, so 4 images. But here's why we're doing this, and it's the part people rush past. If you skip this, your characters change face in every scene and the whole video falls apart. So we're going to lock them in with a character sheet. That's what keeps your anime looking consistent from the first clip to the last. Here's how. Go back to the Google Doc with the prompts, and this time copy prompt number 2. Open Claude again, paste it in, and upload the 4 player images you just downloaded. Don't have the images ready? You can actually skip the upload and just hit generate anyway. It still works. The second you generate, Claude builds you a full character sheet. One clean sheet for every single character, all 4 of them, described and locked so they stay the same across the entire video. Now we turn those character sheets into actual anime images, and this is where it starts feeling real. Take your first character sheet from Claude. Each one comes labeled with the character's name, so you always know who's who. Copy that first character sheet prompt. For this part, we're using Flow AI. Go to Flow, click New Project, and paste your character sheet prompt in. Before you generate anything, hit the settings button, because the settings are what make or break this. Switch it from video to image, pick your model, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and set the number of images to 2. Now click the plus icon, hit upload media, and here's where that Google image comes back, the real player photo you saved earlier. Click add to prompt, and it drops into the prompt box. For me, that's Cristiano Ronaldo, and I match him to the exact character sheet Claude wrote for him. Once he's uploaded and the prompt is in, hit generate. Flow hands you 2 versions of the character sheet. You pick the cleanest one, the sharpest of the 2, and move on. Your first character sheet is done. Now you just run the exact same loop for the rest of your cast. Go back to Claude, copy the next character sheet prompt, head over to Flow, paste it in, upload that character's real photo the same way you did before, then hit generate. And there it is. That character sheet is ready too. That's the whole rhythm. Copy the next sheet from Claude, paste into Flow, upload the player, generate, repeat it until all 4 of your characters are done and your entire team is locked in anime style. Character sheets are ready. Now we build the start frames, and these are the foundation of every clip you're about to make. Go back to the Google Doc and copy prompt number 3. This is the one that turns your character sheets into start frame images. The opening frame each video clip gets built from. Copy it. Bring it into Flow, upload your first character sheet, then paste prompt number 3 exactly as it is. Leave the settings alone this time, don't touch them, and hit generate. And there they are, your start frames, ready. I generated 2 per prompt, so I've got options to pick from. Now the same move for the rest. Upload your second character sheet, paste prompt number 3 again, generate, then the third, then the fourth. You want a start frame for every single character sheet you made. And don't shortcut this part, because here's why it matters. These start frames are what let the videos generate later, with 0 problems. Skip a character here and that clip breaks when you try to animate it, so get a clean start frame for all of them. Once every character has a start frame, we're finally ready for the step everyone's been waiting for, turning these still images into actual moving anime. Go back to the Google Doc one last time and copy prompt number 4. Take it into Claude, paste it, and hit generate. Now watch what Claude does. It hands you 3 video prompts, ready to animate your characters. And the smart part, each prompt has a character name written on it, so you know exactly which character to upload as the reference. No guessing. Copy that first video prompt. For the actual animation, we're back in Flow. Check the name on the prompt you copied. Whatever character it names, that's the one you upload. Drop in that character's sheet image and their start frame image as your references. Now hit Settings. Switch it to video this time, not image. Choose your aspect ratio and set your video duration. Then generate. And there it is. My first anime clip is alive and moving. Copy the next video prompt from Claude, go to Flow, upload the character sheet and start frame it tells you to. Paste the prompt and generate. Same thing again for the third prompt. Same rhythm every time. And don't accept the first messy result. If a clip doesn't come out clean, regenerate it 2 or 3 times until it actually looks right. That little bit of patience is what makes the final video look professional instead of AI slop. Do that for every clip until your whole set is generated. Now let's bring it all together. Download every clip you generated, then open CapCut. Hit import and pull all your clips in. Drop them onto the timeline in order. Now watch each clip closely. If there's a bad frame or a weird moment inside a clip, cut it out. And if a whole clip just doesn't look right, don't force it into the video. Go back to Flow and regenerate it. I mean it, because one broken clip is what drags a video from 3 million views down to 300. It's worth the extra 2 minutes. Now here's the step I've been holding back this whole video, the one almost everybody skips, and the exact reason these football pages hit millions while copycats die at 400 views. It's the transitions. Once your clips are on the timeline, click the Transitions button in CapCut and look for the football transitions. There's a whole set of them. Drop a football transition between every clip. That's the secret. Those transitions are what make the video feel like real football hype instead of a slideshow of AI images. Without them, it looks generated. With them, it looks viral. That's the whole difference. Once your transitions are in and the video flows, hit export. It saves straight to your device, ready to post on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And that's the full process. Real football turned into anime, start to finish, with free tools. Remember I promised you the prompts? All 4 are waiting for you in the free Google Doc linked in the description below. Go grab them and make your first one tonight, while this niche is still wide open.